The announcement of the S24 in January, a month ahead of its usual schedule, has raised speculation about potential issues stemming from Samsung's expedited preparations. This accelerated timeline might have resulted in the presence of several software bugs. Another conjecture is that the software might not have been fully refined, necessitating a comprehensive update to address the reported problems. Numerous users have taken to platforms like Reddit and Samsung forums to voice concerns and share their experiences. Among the reported issues with the S24 series, one significant problem revolves around the FPS meter in games. Even when the game's FPS is at 45, the meter displays it as over 55 FPS, leading to confusion, especially for gamers relying on it for testing purposes. Another noteworthy concern is related to the colors on the phone's display. While there are typically two modes, natural and vibrant, the default on the S24 series is set to natural, and users can't switch to vibrant. This limitation proves frustrating for users who prefer the lively colors associated with the vibrant mode. Issues persist when recording videos, particularly when using the selfie camera in certain modes. Videos tend to turn out excessively dark with crushed shadows, a problem observed in both 1080p and 4K 60 FPS settings. Apps like Instagram and Snapchat, relying on the camera, produce images that appear overly dark. Furthermore, video calls on apps like WhatsApp or Facebook exhibit blurriness and haziness, which seems to be a problem with the app developers. The S24 Ultra faces criticism for its subpar signal reception, as per reviews on YouTube. Users find themselves consistently with 2 or 3 bars outdoors and virtually none to 1 bar indoors, affecting the speed of their mobile data. Navigation issues, camera problems, including inconsistent colors and soft selfies, fingerprint scanner malfunctions, and a green tint on some displays are among the myriad problems reported by users. The community forum is flooded with bug reports, including the absence of an option to set a notification tone for all text messages and certain units being stuck with a default tone. The S24 series encounters compatibility issues with 32-bit apps, causing problems with some third-party applications. The always-on-display feature shows a red font for constant users, limiting customization options, and sometimes failing to set user-added images properly. Connectivity problems extend to trouble connecting to 6 GHz Wi-Fi networks, with users reporting slow or no internet access, particularly with ASUS Wi-Fi routers. The gesture and navigation experience in One UI 6.1 is disliked by many, missing features like hidden navigation buttons. The Samsung keyboard also has issues, including a missing icon and voice input icon from the navigation bar. Some apps like Motion Cam don't allow shooting raw photos, and certain artificial intelligence features such as the photo editor and tap to slow down videos are reported as not working correctly. Issues expand to concerns about the phone becoming hot or not charging properly with wireless chargers, as well as wired headphones connected via the USB-C port disconnecting and audio randomly pausing. Users are encouraged to share the specific issues or bugs they are facing with their Galaxy S24 Ultra devices in the comments section. In conclusion, the Samsung Exynos 2400 represents a substantial performance boost from Samsung's previous chips, showcasing advanced core configuration, a significantly faster GPU, and competitive performance in benchmark tests. This underscores Samsung's dedication to innovation and improvement in chipset technology. Despite this, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 maintains a slight edge in certain areas. The advancements and overall performance of the Exynos 2400 position it as a formidable contender in the current chipset market, especially for users prioritizing graphics performance and processing power. As a final note, users are encouraged to pre-order the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or the S24 Ultra to benefit from up to $750 instant trade-in credit until March 30. Additionally, they can enjoy $150 instant Samsung credit, including an exclusive additional $50 by clicking on the View Product option in the video and making the purchase through special links provided in the video. Thoughts on these developments and experiences with the S24 series are welcome in the comments section, fostering an ongoing dialogue within the community. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.